Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all keeping well. So on this video, I'm going to be unboxing cooking pots that I bought off Shein. Shein, I know. So when we moved, we didn't really have a lot of cooking pots, and I needed to get more, so I decided to take a chance and order from Shein. So tune in to see how exactly they look like and what I thought about them. Enjoy. So the pots came with some assorted range of spoons, plastic, so I guess they're not suitable for cooking. They shouldn't be used on heat. And now to the main thing, the pots. Drum roll. So here they are. Definitely lighter than I expected.
Okay.
Let's just.
This is the biggest.
Hi. This is definitely not what I expected. That is probably or might be my mistake, because I probably didn't understand the description while purchasing. So yeah, this might definitely have to get a new set, because these ones are too light for my day-to-day cooking. And I guess these are just some of the things that are better bought in person. Yeah, the lids required a bit of assembling, and I didn't have a screwdriver at hand, so I decided to improvise and use my kitchen scissors instead. And while assembling them, unfortunately one of the nuts fell down, and I haven't really been able to locate it since. So was this a worthwhile purchase? For me, no. Because as I explained, I'll probably end up having burnt food if I'm to rely on this for my day-to-day use. So, yeah, fortunately, sometimes that's how you learn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye.